Hello, my name is Sayed Maruf Ali and I am presenting of Exploratory Data Analysis EDA of Superstore Dataset in 2019 to 2022 and using Power BI. Here is presented by myself and my student ID 2424939 and course module is Data Mining and Visualization and my lecturer is Dr. Sarif Salim Sir. Here are the table of contents. First is introduction, second is data set overview, third is data cleaning process, fourth is EDA univariate and multivariate, fifth is visuals and sixth is conclusions. Seven is references and acknowledgement. This is the introduction. What is EDA? The purpose of exploratory data analysis EDA, a crucial phase in the data analysis process, is to examine datasets in order to highlight their key features, spot trends, and discover possible correlations between variables. Before using more intricate statistical techniques, EDA aids in data visualization. Typically, it entails looking at trends, correlations, outliers, missing values, and data distribution. One can prevent biases that can affect additional analysis or prediction models by spotting the linkages and trends early. Second is why use Power BI. Microsoft Power BI is a sophisticated business analytics solution that offers business intelligence features and interactive representations. It offers an easy to use interface for managing complicated information and enables users to produce a vast array of data visualizations to show trends and insights. It is appropriate for both data exploration and decision making sense. It gives users the ability to carry out intricate transformations and aggregations and provides real time data insights. Its usefulness in business intelligence is further increased by facilitating team collaboration through integration with various data sources. This is the introduction. An objective of the study, pre-processing and cleaning to ensure that the superstore data set is correct, consistent, and ready for analysis. It must be pre-processed and cleaned, fixing errors, handling missing values, and ensuring consistencies in formatting are all covered here. Finding patterns and connections, we intend to glean important insights from the dataset by identifying noteworthy patterns, associations, and links among various variables such as sales, profit, product, category, and salient tell. Fixing data quality issues, the final objective is to find and fix issues with data quality like missing values, duplicates, outliers, and reliable data is essential for accurate analysis and decision making decisions. Here is the dataset overview. Dataset name Superstore dataset in 2019 to 2022. The dataset contains a total of 9,994 records that span over 4 years, allowing for year-over-year analysis and trend spotting. The dataset includes 19 columns with diverse categories such as transactional details, customer information, product information, geographical data, and financial metrics. Data types, transactions, name of segment, product details, geospatial data, financial metric, transactions, the crucial details required to identify certain sales transactions, contains the order ID, order date, and shipment date. Name and segment are examples of client information, corporate consumer like that. Product details, information about the sold items such as the product name, manufacturer, category, and subcategory. Geographical data, location and region-based information including zip code, city, state and region. Financial metrics, quantity, profit margin, sales, profit and discount are among the company's main performance indicators. These are the dataset overview for Superstore dataset. Here is the data overview for column name one by one. order ID, order date, ship date, customer, manufacturer, product name, segment, category, subcategory, and region, Jeep, city, state, country, discount, profit, quantity, sales, profit margin. These are the column name and these are the column type. And there are two mistakes in column type. Order date and ship date is data type is paste but not is right. Right is column type, order date and ship date is date data type, not test data type. So I removed duplicate name and their data type. Description, all column name, all description around here. And example value, here is the data cleaning process. Challenges in raw data, missing values. Certain columns such as sales and profit had missing values that needed to be handled to avoid skewed analysis. Incorrect data types. Some columns like dates were in string formats and required conversion. Duplicate records. There were several duplicate records, primarily due to order IDs, which needed removal to ensure uniqueness. Steps taken like that handle missing values, how to handle missing values, how to convert that date columns, and how to remove the duplicates and standardize categorical variables like that. So handle missing values is used to make imputation for missing values in the sales and profit columns. Like that, converted date columns ensured that all date related columns, order date and ship date were in the correct format for the time series analysis. So these are the mistakes in Superstore data like test date data site. And remove duplicates. Remove duplicates rows to ensure that there were no redundant records. And standardized categorical variables ensured the data that categorical variables like product categories, customer segments, and regions were consistent. These are the data cleaning process. And then before and after cleaning process, like example type of this table, missing values none, before cleaning and after cleaning none. And duplicate records is before cleaning only one and duplicates removed after cleaning. Invalid values, negative profit values, so that's before cleaning negative all. So invalid values is negative profit. So is only for example, not the annual. And after cleaning, corrected inconsistencies. So before and after cleaning this type of table, missing values done and duplicate records is only one. EDA, univariate and multivariate. Univariate analysis EDA is defined as the study of the distribution, dispersion, and central tendency of a single variable at a time, finding trends, patterns, and any problem with the quality of the data is made simpler as a result. Definition of multivariate analysis EDA. Multivariate analysis examines the interactions between two or more variables in order to find patterns, dependencies, and correlations. Okay, and then stacked column chart. Uh, I sum of profit by subcategory, and this bar chart shows how much profit each product subcategory makes. Like most profitable products, like copiers, phones, and accessories, bring in the most profit, meaning they are great for business. So these is the most profitable products like copiers, phones, and accessories, and moderate profit products like items like chairs, storage, and appliances make a decent amount of profit, but not as much as the top ones. And last one is, I think, low or negative profit products. Table, bookcases, and supplies either make very little profit or even lose money. So tables seem to be losing the most. So this is the column chart by sum of profit by subcategory, and this is the explanation of stacked column chart. And second is pie chart, sum of quantity by category. This pie chart shows the total quantity of products sold in three main categories: office supplies, furniture, and technology. Office supplies is blue and 60.48%. This is the largest category with 23K units sold. Most of the sold items belong to this category. And second is furniture, light blue and 21.19%, about 8K units of furniture were sold, which is significantly lower than office suppliers. And third is technology. Technology, orange color here, and 18.32% in the technology. This category had the least quantity sold with 7K units. So this is the pie chart and sum of quantity by category. And this is the explanation of pie chart. And third is line chart, sum of sales by region, segment, and category. So, four type of segment: consumer, corporate. Sorry, third type of segment in consumer, corporate, and home office. This chart shows total sales for different product categories and across four regions: central, east, south, and west. It also breaks down sales by customer segment. Furniture sales are highest in the east and west regions, very high in east and west. Consumer segment consistently has the highest sales, followed by corporate and home office. And sales dip in the south region, meaning fewer people buy furniture there. So this is the line chart, sum of sales by region, segment, and category. Furniture, technology, and office supplies. Okay, and this is the scatter chart, sum of sales and sum of profit by month. This chart shows the connection between sales and profit for different months, and more sales usually mean more profit. The dots follow an upward trend, meaning when sales go up, profit also increases. And some months have low sales and low profit. These are the dots on the lower left side, and some months have very high sales and high profit. These are the dots on top right side, showing strong business performance. And not all sales bring equal profit. Some months with similar sales have different profit levels, which could mean discounts, product cost, other expenses are affecting profit. So this is the scatter chart. And this is the scatter chart explanation, and this is the map chart, and this is the map chart explanation. Country filter: the United States is the main focus of the map, and I think map chart is very represented by each blue dot like that, North America. And higher cells are indicated by larger dots. Cells concentration: while some cells are in Europe, Australia, and other locations, the majority of cells are concentrated in the United States. Majority of dots in United States. And the last one is conclusion. Key takeaways: Power BI helps extract insightful information from big data sets by providing strong capabilities for data transformation, cleaning, and visualization. More intelligent business plans might result from an understanding of sales, profit, and customer trends. Resolving problems with data quality, like missing numbers and outliers, can improve the precision of your conclusion. And last one is future points to remember. Um, to improve inventory planning and forecast future sales, predictive modeling approaches could be used. Even more precise information for forecasting and decision making may be available through AI driven insights. And last one is references and acknowledgement. References: I search about the Microsoft Corporation, Power BI documentation, and Superstore dataset from using Power BI, and that dataset source like 2019 to 2022, 4 year of data, and and other acknowledgements. So I realized, and I perfectly told thank you to my lecturer and Dr. Sarif Salim sir and my peers, my colleagues, and the resources available online for their continuous support throughout